Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how we can activate or enable horizontal and vertical guides in your drawings on Google Drawings or in your diagrams. So let us get started. So navigate to your document here on Google Drawings, and as you can see there's the ruler at the top and to the left as well for orientation. But you can also insert orientation lines and position them, for instance, position them on your canvas here for orientation as well. So to do that, right click either onto the vertical or horizontal ruler and choose either add horizontal guide, or use that shortcut here. Well, that's too long, but you can use that one, or into that one here, right click into it and choose vertical guide. Let me add also horizontal one. And now guys, you can click into them and move them like this. So if you'd like to I don't know, draw something in a specific area of your canvas, you can use these guides to separate that area here from the rest of the canvas or your diagram. And that's one way you can do it. You can also navigate to View, hover mouse over Guides, and then add both of them as well. You can also add more of them. And yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.